everyone, Strange Incident is here and back with some new and crazy footage, so keep watching.
How many of these 13 golden retriever puppies side by side having the sweetest dreams, petted and watched over by their beloved mommy? One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, four potatoes. Come on, Mom, can't we have just a little drop of your tasty and healthy milk? We are trying the puppy formula for the first time. We love playing in it and licking it off of each other. Don't tell me there is a milk shortage. Maybe I'll try to dig for it. I might find some. Happy Easter!
Hope you guys enjoyed what you've seen so far in this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out these two new videos, you might enjoy them as well. Later!